Hello and welcome to Gaslands TV. Today we got a special race between the Miscreants driving the Clyde versus Fireball driving the Speedburner. Alright, but first let's take a look at the track. They're going to start up here on top of the suicide, come down this 45-degree angle, giving them a boost of speed into turn number 1, where our Gaslands TV camera is, capturing all the moment and action, then going through gate number 1 here, down a straightaway. And just a reminder, every gate is a point. There are 4 gates to go through, including the finish line. So even if you don't finish a race, you're going to get points for passing through these gates. They're going to come here around turn number 2 into gate number 2, which is our construction site. This is where our helicopter crashed, destroyed the road, and the show must go on. So instead of fixing it, we're just going to leave it there like that, broken, which can be entertaining at some times. And we're gonna go maybe around turn number 3, where there's our Ember Prime monster truck flamethrower guy here, and into gate number 3, coming down the straightaway into turn number 4, which is a not a U-turn but a nice little bend, giving you maximum speed to come down the second 2-lane downhill here into our finish line, which finishes into a beautiful jump. And we have our Gaslands TV camera crew here, capturing all the moment. I'm going to be in my little bunker down there, seeing the finish line up close. And the cars have to make sure not to get hit by these drills here, these cars here waiting for them to land in there and get drilled. But if they're lucky enough and they come into this pipe here, this is the pipe dream. This is where they win a ticket to Mars, and they could give it to someone, give it to a fan, keep it for themselves, use it to get off this crappy rock. Now let me take the truck down here. I'll be broadcasting from below, and our helicopter is going to be capturing the moments as they go. So before we start the race, let's take a look at the drivers. We got the Miscreants from the Alliance of Pacific States. They're driving the Clyde, and they love classic cars, but they dislike the girls from Mars. I wish I could meet a girl from Mars to see if I would dislike them or not. Next up we have Fireball. He's from USA, Detroit to be specific. He's driving the Speedburner. He likes flamethrowers and he dislikes water. How do you dislike water? It's like gold down here. I've seen people trade in tickets to Mars for water. Anyways, here we have the cars getting ready, going up the elevator of the suicide for their first race. This is going to be exciting, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep an eye out, see who's going to win. Make your bets, and here we go. Race number 1. Miscreants out in front with a nice little lead over the construction site. Coming in, oh, did a little flip, and they both finish at the finish line. Ooh, Miscreants got a little explosion at the end there, but I think they're going to be okay for race number 2. Here we go. And Miscreants again in front of Fireball. Miscreant is starting with a good lead here. Oh no, they lost control. And Fireball goes in front. Oh, almost makes it through the top tunnel. Crowd goes ballistic. But to win a ticket, you have to be completely in the tunnel. And I think maybe just his front was in there, and then he bounced back out. And the Miscreants are upside down on the road there. But after a little towing and some mechanical work, we can go for another race here. Let's see who wins this time. Side by side. Oh, Miscreants turn around and fire at the Fireball. Miscreants lose control. Driving backwards is never a good idea. And there's a Fireball stuck on the side there, and Clyde upside down. Oh no, Ember Prime is taking advantage and is putting him on fire. A little explosion there. Fireball trying to start his engine and get away from the line of sight, but no. Canisters full of fuel exploding, and our helicopter had a little bit of fire there, but will he be okay to capture the moment of the next race? And yes, he's okay. We're gonna go for another race here. Again, the Miscreants take the lead, as always, but they lost control there, and Fireball can't pass through. They're trying, he's pushing, but his car is just not strong enough. The sheriff's got him in line of sight, and he shoots again. Oh my god, these guys are just taking so much damage from the spectators, but they're persistent. They're going for another race here, side by side. Miscreant take the lead. Oh, but construction site, he did not pass through that. And Fireball takes advantage and finishes the race for another win. Let's see a replay of this. This was a close one. Look how long they were side by side. The Miscreant take the little lead there. Lost control here on the construction site. Oof. Flips back onto his wheel. Could have continued, but didn't have enough speed for that curve and went on his rooftop there. While the Fireball kept going and took a win. Now let's go for some time trial. Let's see who's faster on the track alone without the fighting and the bumping and the shooting. Miscreants are gonna go first here. The timer starts and they're off. Look at the speed that he went down, and he finished in 4.8 seconds. I think that was his best time so far throughout all of these Gasland races. And now we're gonna do Fireball. He's going in for his speed run, but doesn't look as fast. Oh, did he get a ticket there? His time is 6.6. That's a bad time, but did he get a ticket to Mars? Let's see here. Oh man, we are having a hard time. The judges are having a hard time. I think we're gonna leave it up to you guys, our fans. That's the still frame there. Do you think he's in the tunnel fully or not? Put it in the comments below. And in about a week or so, we're gonna take a look at the comments and see if he won a ticket to Mars. I don't know, does he deserve it? He missed the top one before. Now let us know in the comments. Now let's take a look at his stats. The Miscreants comes in at 41 grams. His best time was 4.8. He got 13 gate points and 1 win, but unfortunately no tickets to Mars, so he's stuck here. Next up we got Fireball. He comes in as 51 grams. His best time was 6.6. He's got 15 gate points and he won 2 races. But did he win that ticket to Mars? It's up to you, so make sure to vote in the comments. Guys, all the cars were sent in by Gaslands TV fans. Thank you so much for your support so far. If you want to send in your car, let me know in the comments, or go to our Facebook page, Gaslands TV. Join us there. We got monthly prizes and stuff, and there are more races coming soon. If you do play Gaslands and you're looking for products like templates, dice to play, some cool gates, or even parts to modify your car, check out our Etsy page. We've got rams, guns, engines, tires, flame effects. They all come in a really cool Gaslands TV container that you can use to transport your cars in. So why not get some really cool stuff for yourself while supporting us and the artists who make these things. And go check out our Gaslands TV Facebook page for a monthly contest, and check out this other cool video, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a race or a hobby tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.